Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Training video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you send payments, then you may face this type of error that this person can't accept payments right now. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So there are 3 to 4 ways to fix this problem. First of all, guys, you make sure that you may put right recipient address. So if you have put right wrong account or recipient address, then you may face this type of error. The second method is, guys, you may make sure that your recipient identity is completely verified. So if your recipient identity is not verified, then you may show this type of error. The third method is, guys, you will make sure that your recipient account limits are not full and they are remaining which money you are sent according to that. So if their limit is not according to that, then guys you may face this type of error. So if there are nothing from all these, then guys you will make sure that you have an active internet connection and you have updated cash app, and after this you may open your cash app account and log in with your account, and then guys you may click here on your profile icon. So click here guys on your profile again, and here is the option of support. So you may click here and you may contact to cash app support team. So click here on chat and you may tell them your problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.